Look at this feather. What bird does it belong to? 5 feathers. 5 birds. Guess who flies with this? This feather is soft as velvet, silent in flight. Who wears this? This feather is bright blue with a black stripe, like a piece of sky fallen to earth. Who wears this? This feather holds an eye of emerald and gold, 1,000 colors in one glance. Who wears this? This feather shimmers like liquid metal, tiny but fearless. Who wears this? This feather is brown with white tips, strong enough to ride the wind for hours. Who wears this? One, owl. Their feathers are lined with velvet. They fly without a sound. 2, blue tit. The blue comes from light scattering, not pigment. A sky made of air. 3, peacock. Each eye has 150 tiny feathers, a galaxy on a single plume. 4, hummingbird. Their feathers beat 80 times per second. They taste nectar while hovering. 5, eagle. They ride thermal currents for hours without flapping once. Which feather made you want to fly today? Right below. Glimpse.